我哋繼續講成就法，都係咧關於咧呢一個目的啦，或者咧嗰個做成就法嘅意義嘅，主要咧係為咗解脫。有時候我哋叫做他吧或者藏出或者生字呢幾個藏文字，無論係用咩字眼都好。大家都知道咧，我哋大部分人，我哋都唔知道呢個係咩嚟嘅。我哋咧係冇一啲嘅參考啦，究竟咩係解脫？唯一可以參考我哋有嘅參考咧，就係類似一啲嘢啦，就係好似例如頂髻佛母，或者咧係佢嘅光環啦。有啲古仔，人哋話過俾我哋聽嘅，話乜嘢咧係有解脫嘅人，可能係有驅生嘅，係有呢一個無礙嘅智慧等等。除此以外咧，你係唔知道任何嘢。其實有好多嘅文學我哋可以睇，但係咧大部分佢哋咧都係比較咧係抽象嘅。我諗咧，對於大部分我哋人嚟講咧，例如我哋如果講係好似極樂淨土咁樣解脫嘅經驗咧，差唔多都係似係喺一啲天界嘅，好似天堂嘅經驗啦。啲人係咁樣講嘅，你去天堂啦，跟住咧你咧就永遠非常快樂咁樣生活落去啦，跟住大家影一張合照，好似類似啲咁嘅嘢咁樣，係咪咁咧？我哋根本冇呢一個參考，佢究竟係你解脫嘅時候個感覺係點樣樣嘅咧？而嗰個咧，係解脫咧，係你個目的喎。如果咧你係有呢一個去夏威夷嘅慾望嘅話，有可能係因為咧你去過印度高華呢個地方，所以咧你有一個參考點啦，有呢一個海灘啦，有呢個海浪啦、鹽啦、水等等。如果你有呢一個參考點咧，你就可能有一個原因係希望咧，渴望係去夏威夷。我哋所謂咧，希望有呢個解脫嘅呢一種咁樣樣嘅希望咧，其實我哋冇一種經驗，冇一種咧係感覺上嘅經驗，而且咧係不可能有嘅。而你有嘅嘢咧，係創巴寧波車咧講，我估咧佢可能係咁樣講，我都唔係好知道啦，就係有少少似係咧一種咧誒悲傷嘅感覺，悲傷嘅心。有啲人嚟講咧係連續性嘅，亦都有啲人嚟講咧係久唔久先至有一種佢可能係冇連續性嘅呢一種感覺。你哋有一啲人咧，可能係做過呢樣嘢，做過呢樣嘢，去過呢一度，去過第二度。你可能咧，達到咗，實現咗好多，達到咗所有嘢，成就咗所有嘅，你已經攞到好好嘅職位，你已經成就咗所有嘢啦。但係突然間，你會喺度諗，係咪究竟就係咁樣樣咧？可能咧，一定仲有第二啲嘢咧，仲有其他嘢嘅。生命生命嘅目的咧，應該人生嘅目標有可能有第二啲嘢，有更加大嘅嘢嘅。嗰一種古怪嘅感覺咧，你哋可能有啲人會有，而呢一樣嘢咧，對於好多過去嘅大師嚟講咧，佢哋就會覺得係一種好大嘅加持。事實上咧，我哋而家講緊成就法。所以咧，我咧必須要講本尊或者天人。實際上咧， 之前咧有講過呢種曾經咧長陽曾經有一個有一個對於文殊菩薩嘅頌讚啦，我哋聽過好多種嘅頌讚，例如咧佢係一個佛陀咧嘅追隨者，佢咧係佢係引起好多嘅教法嘅，佢係成日咧被戲弄嘅人，佢中意戲弄人啦，亦都有時候咧話佢係咧好多佛陀嘅教導者老師，我哋聽過佢係橙色啦、黃色啦、黑色啦、藍色啦，佢有持劍啦，或者佢冇持劍啦等等。有時候我哋咧聽到佢話佢冇顏色啦，冇形狀咧，咩都冇。亦有時候咧，我哋話咧佢咧就係我哋嘅明光，我哋嘅覺知。頭先我哋有講過，無論如何都好啦，我哋咧有頭先好依稀咁樣講過咩叫做本尊咧。今日朝頭早呢一個光明同埋空性咧嘅圓融。你無論有啲咩都好，你見到嘅現象可以係所有嘢同埋冇一樣嘢，我哋佢哋同時生起，水同時咧係水同埋居住所，唔好亦同時候係好，好亦都同時候係唔好，短同時係長，長同時係短。我哋咧亦都係講非二元。我哋話呢一種真實嘅悲傷感啦，係有少少咧係我哋頭先講嘅有少少呢一種嘢係令到你覺得有啲古古怪怪。呢一樣嘢咧係呢種感覺咧令到你覺得人生咧不單止咧係食早餐啦、午餐啦、職業啦，或者你嘅養老金呢樣嘢令到你覺得唔係好舒服。每一次咧，你覺得每一次你俾呢一個感覺踢一踢嘅時候咧，令到你覺得有啲嘢唔係好舒服嘅時候咧，我哋咧亦都咧係咧創造好多唔同嘅 apps 啊，或者咧係其他嘅嘢咧係去咧娛樂我哋自己，令到我哋咧覺得咧係麻木咧，因為我哋咧根本咧處理唔到啦，忍耐唔到呢一種咁樣嘅悲傷嘅感覺，我哋唔可以忍耐佢。所以咧，我哋咧需要咧係去麻木自己啦，用唔同嘅方法，注入唔同嘅嘢，去唔同，令到自己係咧麻。我哋咧將自己咧用各種嘅方法去令到自己變到麻木咧，但係咧佢哋都有限期嘅。當嗰啲嘢咧已經唔再生起功效嘅時候咧，你咧就會咧更加去更加行得越深啦。你可能咧覺得好悶啊，或者咧有抑鬱等等。無論如何啦，呢一樣嘢咧，你究竟你其實係冇一種乜嘢叫做解脫嘅參考嘅，但係咧你唔需要咧失望，因為因為咧你唔係成日都有嘅，我希望成日都有，但係咧你咧不時咧都會有呢一種非常不時有一種奇怪啦、不滿足啦、有少少唔舒服啦、古古怪怪啦嘅悲傷感，而呢一樣嘢咧係非常之重要。我覺得咧，亦都係令到你有少少咧，令到你咧係作為一個清醒嘅人，令到你咧清醒，令到你好。 依然咧，我咧都係需要同你哋講，究竟乜嘢叫做解脫？呢一個目的係乜嘢咧？目標係乜？解脫，尤其是我哋講成就法嘅時候，每一次我哋做呢個儀軌，到最尾我哋都會念中丁地或者所有世尊，或者咧我哋講我哋念呢尊聖道母，或者我哋係講巴加花提，或者希望道母，希望你咧長期嘅希望永遠咁樣保佑我，希望加持我，令到我有呢個慈悲同埋智慧等等。到最尾咧，我哋亦都會話希望最後咧，希望我會個烹用呢一個藏文係一個非常之美麗嘅字，喺藏文嚟講個烹就係希望我實現個烹呢個藏文字，希望成就實現你嘅狀態，希望我成為你。我哋成日都會咁講呢樣嘢咧，同完全咧唔係話完全唔係話道母話希望你咧加持我，希望我咧永遠咧都係好開心咁樣生活落去，而且咧成日咧自拍，每一日都自拍，完全咧唔係講緊呢樣嘢。呢一個狀態係乜嘢咧？個烹我咧非常之肯定咧，喺而家我哋聽眾入邊咧，你咧至少可以接受呢一種狀態，係唔可以有，或者你可能喺度觸摸緊，當我當我成為，當我達到嗰個道務嘅狀態嘅時候，或者世尊嘅狀態嘅時候，我可能唔會再有頸痛啦。我應該唔需要再有任何嘅行程啦、時間表啦。你諗下咧，如果你認真地諗下嘅時候，其實好似好悶嘅。我完全唔需要做嘢啦，每一日都係禮拜日，係咪非常之沉悶啊？我已經唔需要再咧更新我嘅apps 啦，因為咧每一樣佢哋咧係會立即刻咧自己識得更新。睇下，如一個正常嘅人類咧係唔可以咧思維呢一樣嘢。住世一路都係長久住世，究竟係即係咩咧？你係咪真係想咁樣樣？係咪真係希望咁樣樣？好似咧中國咧嘅一啲哲學家咁樣講咧，你要小心，小心睇下自己究竟係發咗一個咩願望啊？咩嘢叫做個烹呢一個半村嘅狀態係咩咧？呢個係好大嘅其中一個一樣嘢咧，就係冇時間。無論咧你係一個無神論者或者咧係科學家都好啦，就算咧你係科學家咧，佢都係接受咗時間咧係時間係相對嘅。當你咧終於咧從你解脫自己，由呢一個時間嗰度解脫嘅時候咯，呢個時間嘅限制，你想象一下咧，當冇時間嘅時候，當冇時間嘅時候咧，代表乜嘢咧？已經咧再冇一樣嘢叫做進步，冇一樣嘢咧叫做成熟或者唔成熟。呢啲全部咧都係當我哋有時間時候先會講嘅，佢有一個限期。 當然啦，亦都唔會有生日啦。當冇時間嘅時候，你哋知唔知啊？呢一個咧係非常非常之可以被接受嘅，真係。而你已經咧做緊呢一樣嘢，而我知道你係做緊，而你唔單止係做緊呢一樣嘢，而咧你好大部分咧出去咧尋找快樂、尋找享受嘅時候，你咧都係咧喺度咧追求緊一種咧冇時間性。就就算咧係你飲一杯威士忌酒都好啦，其實咧你係想殺死一啲時間，或者係用咗一啲時間，呢一個真係一個咧非常之深嘅字啊，深刻嘅字。殺殺嘅相對殺嘅對面咧係乜嘢咧？係唔係咧話重生咧？你令到你係令到時間重生，冇時間性呢樣嘢其實係可以被經驗嘅。當你咧完全不受由時間裏面解脫嘅時候，呢樣嘢係非常之可能實現。而當你咧可以實現嘅時候，當你咧可以試下有一絲一試乜嘢叫做冇時間性嘅時候，咁死亡係乜嘢咧？而我哋咧亦都咧唔會再有呢一個乜嘢叫做生命嘅目的嘅呢一種負擔。當我哋冇咗呢一種負擔嘅時候啦，文殊菩薩啦，或者係聖道姆啦，Arya 聖呢一個字代表咧，代表崇高，代表咧你咧係不代表升華啦，或者代表咧你係不凡非凡啊。當你咧係喺呢個時間入邊嘅時候咧，你係一個非凡人。你係可以咁樣做嘅，因為咧時間係相對性嘅，呢樣嘢咧係非常之可以達到嘅。你咧亦都經驗過好多次。我哋咧會再講呢一樣嘢，如果有需要嘅時候，我會睇一睇。我哋繼續講之後，如果之後有問答環節之後，我哋可能會再講。但係我哋而家咧係要講一講呢一個成就法啦，或者儀軌嘅結構。呢個成就法嘅結構，當我哋講結構之前咧，或者咧講一講咧咩係材料。究竟一個成就法或者一個儀軌，究竟佢有咩成分呢？其實事實上咧，唔係淨係一個儀軌啦，係所有佛法嘅修持，無論係大一或細都好，一定必須要有不可或缺嘅兩種元素。第一樣嘢就係需要智慧，第二樣嘢咧就係要有方便，呢兩種元素係必須要有嘅。你唔可以冇其中一樣嘢，不可或缺。如果咧你咧缺少咗一樣嘢嘅話，其中一樣咧已經係有缺陷噶啦。乜嘢咧係令到一條道路啦係非常之好啦，或者咧係有效或者係啱嘅路咧，就係咧當佢咧有呢一個元素嘅時候，呢樣嘢係非常之重要嘅。例如咧，如果你去斯里蘭卡咧，嗰啲僧侶咧就係會咧係會乞討食物啦。我其實咧都會去嗰度，因為你知道啦，好似我哋今日朝頭早有講，我有身體，我有感覺。感覺咧係對於我嚟講好重要，而我希望咧得到咧呢一個靈感。 我有時候咧希望
Magadha
感
days,
受
Magadha
呢個
or
曼加
Vaishali
達
days,
或者法
when
沙
Buddha
或
was
法沙
alive,
利呢
when
一
Buddha
個
was
時
begging
間，
alms
呢
with
一
all
段日
his
子啦，
beautiful
當
serene
佛
monks,
陀咧仲係
he
在
wanted
世
to
啦，佢咧
experience
喺
this
街上面同啲
merit,
同
but
啲
this is
其他嘅
Laos,
僧侶一齊行乞嘅
it's
時
so
候，
beautiful. It's just
我呢有時候
beautiful.
咧會去老撾嗰
You
度
know,
咧
every
去經
morning,
驗呢樣嘢，佢係非
sunrise,
常之美麗嘅。一個
5:30,
清晨，
these monks
太陽升起嘅
in
時候，
villages
所有嘅
like
僧
all
侶咧
grain
喺度
rice,
行走，
they
而
offer.
鄉村而嗰啲村莊咧就會拎佢哋嘅米出嚟咧去做供養。
That for the monks, it is
呢樣
their
嘢對於僧侶
discipline,
嚟講
their
係佢哋嘅
practice,
戒律，
begging
佢
food.
哋咧嘅修
In
持，
fact, I
去
was
乞討
talking
食物。
just yesterday,
我琴日咧都有
begging is
講過
actually begging
講過
food,
呢樣
one
嘢，
of the most
乞討食物
highly,
其實
highly
係
venerated,
其中一種咧
what you
最
call
最高、最
noble
高、最受
living.
尊敬嘅，
No,
或者
now
係最
we have
高
reached
貴
to a
嘅
era or the
最
age
高貴
where
嘅方
begging
法。
is not considered noble.
而
It's
我哋而家咧
nuisance.
將乞討咧完全已經唔會咧係視為一種高貴
It's a
啦， 我
discipline.
哋會係覺得佢好煩，好受好滋擾。無論如何
And
啦，我哋呢一種咧係一
different
個
tribal
戒律
method
嚟嘅。有啲人咧係用好多其
begging
他
because it really
不
tests
可
so
思
many
議
things.
嘅方法啦。
Not only it has
乞討咧，佢咧
physical
係可以
exertion
咧
also,
將你有
mind,
做好多試
so
驗，
on and so
非
forth.
除
So
咗咧你係
but
覺得
for the
好攰
giver,
之外咧，
also
佢
this
仲
is
咧
a
係會
chance
咧
to
測試你
accumulate
嘅自
merit.
尊心。對於咧一
Kushala
啲
we call
供養者嚟講啦，
offering
你咧係可
prasada.
以你咧因
But
為共爭
it's
咧，
a
所以可以
combination.
累積你嘅福德。呢啲全
You
部
need
咧
to
都
know
係一啲方
even
法，
in the
而
Sharvakaya
你咧需
Gopala
要
Pada
知道
Padaga,
咧，就算咧係喺聲聞緣覺城入邊
Kushala practice of making merit is
呢一
never
個
devoid.
累
Should
積
not be
功德呢
devoid
一樣
with
嘢
the
咧，係
wisdom of
從來
Ananta.
不可以咧離開咧
And
呢一個
in
切
one hand
誒
we talk about
誒
selflessness.
離開呢
No
一個
giver,
智慧
no
同埋
alms,
方便嘅。我
no
哋咧
begging bowl,
喺一方面咧就係
Ananta,
講咧係無我啦，
selflessness,
例如係
no
冇，
rice,
例如係冇飯
no
啦，冇呢一個乞討嘅缽啦，
no merit, therefore.
冇福德，
All that,
因此
but at
冇
the
福德。
same time,
所有嗰啲咁嘅嘢，我
the
哋都會
method
講，
of
但係
giving.
同時咧，我哋咧都有呢一個供養嘅
This is an
方便。
important
呢
aspect
一
of
樣嘢係非
generally,
常
not
之
just only
重
the
要
sadhana, every Buddhist practice.
重要嘅方面嚟嘅，對於所有嘅佛
If
教
you
修持
have
嚟講
that,
都係。如果你
even a
擁有呢一
mundane
樣嘢
act
咧，就
becomes
算咧係一種一啲好
divine.
平凡
If you
嘅
want to put it in the
平凡嘅
tantric
動作啦，
context, even a
如果咧你
mundane
係將佢咧擺喺一
taking,
個密
right?
乘嘅
And
修
this is
持裏面，
I
就
will
算一啲
discuss
好
this
平
later.
凡嘅、
Even taking a shower,
好
you are
平凡
safe
嘅嘢，例如咧你咧係沖
thinking that you
涼，
are the deity.
你自己沖
You are
涼，
not
而
even
你咧
offering shower to
係
anyone. You are
去想
taking
像
for
自己
yourself.
咧係一個本尊，
Supposedly you accumulate
你
a
淨
lot
係
of
自己
merit,
沖涼
more
啫，你
merit than
咧。
inviting
當
thousands
你
of
觀想
Buddhas
自
and
己咧
offering
係
them
本尊
shower.
嘅時候咧，你咧都係喺度咧積
Because
累
of the
緊福
wisdom
德。
and method,
點解咧？
you know,
因為就
combination.
係呢一個智
So
慧同埋方
wisdom
便嘅
and the
圓融
method
相
is a
用，
must
所以咧智
ingredient.
慧啦同埋呢一個方便係一
One
個必
thing is
須嘅元素。
you know, and then remember
之
right at the
後
beginning this
亦都
morning
需
I
要
talked
記
about
住咧，我
virtue.
哋今朝早咧有講到
Q
文化，
is Q.
咩
Merit
叫
has a
做
lot of
線
depth,
索
and
啦，
then
或者咧
therefore
唔係
also the
非線索。
interpretation of the
呢一
wisdom
個
also
方
ends up
法啦，
becoming
入邊
different.
咧係有好多呢啲所謂嘅線索嘅，
So
所以咧
yes,
後來咧佢可能有少少
if
不
you
一
go to
樣。
Tibetan areas like here,
係啊，例如你去咗呢一啲藏
many
區，
times
例如好似我
wisdom
哋而家呢一個地方咁樣樣，
method always gets
好多情
method
況
is
之
always
下咧，呢一個
hijacking
方法
the
咧都
wisdom.
係咧劫持咗呢個智慧
Wisdom
嘅
we don't have
智慧，我哋就冇啦。
many times.
好多情況之下都會咁樣樣。
This also exists within the
呢一樣嘢咧都咧存在喺，
within the schools, I think, since there's a
就
some
算咧喺
Japanese,
學校入邊，我哋而
but
家在座
students,
咧有
there's a
一啲
beautiful
日本
temple
人
in Tokyo.
喺
It's quite a big,
喺東京咧有一個
you
非
know,
常之靚嘅
as you
廟宇，
enter the main
佢好大
shrine,
嘅。當你行入
there's a
去嘅
one
時
big
候咧，
stone and one small stone.
佢個主壇咧有一個
And the
大
big stone is the Buddha,
大石同
the
埋一個
small
細
stone is
石。
the Ananda,
大
the
石
Buddha.
咧就係咧誒
Fantastic.
佛
It
陀
has
啦，細石
some
咧就係
incredible,
咧柯南尊
message
者，
in there.
佢咧係
But I'm
非
not
常之
even
好啊，係一
going
個非常之
into this
不可思
area where,
議
like
嘅
nature. We are not talking about the stone,
不可思議
nature, environment.
嘅嘢嚟嘅。我而家都唔係
Okay,
講緊話我哋去
some
自 然，
Shakyamuni Buddha
我哋都唔係
himself,
去一個自
those
然
who
嘅環
see
境，
me
而
as a
係咧
particular form, they have a wrong
佛陀
view.
都有講過咧，如果有啲人咧
So
係以
why
某一個
not
色相咧
stone
去
is a right?
求我咧，佢咧都
Because
係咧一種
many
邪見。
times
點解咧一
when
嚿石係
teacher
OK 咧可以咧？因為咧喺好多
sometimes they
情
get
況之下咧，
one could say sometimes this
禪嘅
kind
教
of
導裡面啦。
statement and this kind of
呢
representation
一種
is
咁樣咧
very
嘅陳
wisdom
述啦，或
oriented.
者呢一種嘅表
So
示啦、展示咧，
I don't
係
know if
以一
I'm
種智慧
a
嘅
little
方
bit
法、智
teasing
慧嘅形式咧去
Japanese.
表達嘅。我可能咧而家喺度取笑緊日本人，
They get deprived from
佢哋咧
the
被剝奪咗
chaos
咧，
that is happening in
被剝
places
奪
like
咗
Varanasi.
咧，例如喺呢、
All
個
the
誒
chaos, the
Varanasi 裏
flowers,
面咧入邊嘅
half
混
burnt
亂啊，例
incense
如
and
有
the
一啲
bell
好
and
亂嘅花啦，
you
有啲
all this
嗰
chaos.
啲燒咗一半嘅
And this
香啦，或者嗰啲
gods,
鐘
like
聲啦，
statues
呢一種咁
with
嘅
the
混亂，仲有咧好多唔同嘅佛
sindurs.
像啦，又有
They are also so beautiful. But the
呢啲
thing
咁樣
is,
嘅
in
混亂都係
places like
非常
India
之美
or
麗嘅。但
even
係
Tibetan
例如
Buddhism,
喺呢一個印度或者喺
too
西
many,
藏，
many ritual, too many
太多嘅儀
representation, too
式，
many, many
太多嘅
statues. So
太多嘅佛
the
像或者
wisdom.
代表。
So you go and talk to any of the Tibetan villages here
你去
and
同
give
所
them
有咧藏
one
區
big
嘅村，
stone
呢
and
度
one
所有
small
嘅
stone
藏族
and
嘅
say this is
村
Buddha
莊
and Ananda,
講話哦，你俾一嚿
most
大石同
likely
埋一
they will
嚿
not
細石俾
accept.
佢，話呢一個係佛陀同
This
埋
is
柯
just
南尊
law.
者，應該
Anyway,
咧佢
back
哋好
to
可
the
能咧係唔會接
ingredient
受呢樣嘢
I
嘅。
shut up. It's
而家我哋
always
講緊呢
the
個元素，就係
ingredient
咧智
wisdom
慧同埋
and
方便
method.
呢
And
一
many
兩
times they
樣嘢啦，
overlap.
係一定會喺度
Okay?
嘅。喺好
So
多
I will tell
情
you,
況之
okay,
下咧，佢哋
in
咧可能咧
Abani,
係會有一啲嘅
one
重疊。
face, two hand
例如我哋講
with
金
a
剛手，
flower,
一塊
very,
面
very
兩
appealing,
手，有啲花好令人哋好
very
賞心悅目，
handsome, very
好
appealing method.
好英俊。呢
Suddenly,
一樣嘢咧係講緊
Avalokiteshvara
方
with
便，
the
但係突然
forearm.
間我哋亦都
The
有觀世
forearm
音菩
is
薩係四臂觀
leaning
音，
towards the wisdom because
四
that's
四臂咧係
dual
有
from the
少少咧
dualistic
靠
point of
近
view is
咧
not
係
acceptable.
智慧嘅。
But
喺我哋呢個
shove it
二
down
元嘅睇法入邊咧，其實係不可
to
以
the
接
mind
受
of
嘅。
the
但係
practitioner.
咧，當我
Now,
哋咧，
you are a man, okay,
當
visualize
我哋
as
咧
a
係
woman.
要
You know, stuff like
當
that.
如果你係一個
You
男
have
士、
two
男
arms,
性
you
修
know
行
this,
子咧，就叫你
from
哦，
today,
你咧幻
you
想
have
自己
both
為女
arms.
士。如果你有兩臂咩？OK，由今日開始你就係有一千
Not
隻
just
臂，
symbolically, you actually do
唔
have.
係淨係象徵性喎，你係真實地咧係
Or
有
you are an
千臂、
animal,
千
like a
手。
horse,
又
or
或
a
者你
moose,
係咧一個動物，例如你係一隻馬，
or a buffalo,
或者
especially
係
if
一隻
you're
水
practicing
牛。尤其是如
usually.
果你係
At times a
修
buffalo,
持
or at
緊
times
文
a
殊菩
turtle.
薩，有時候你係水牛，有時候你係一隻龜。
So all this like mind,
呢啲所
boggling,
有
sort of shifting,
呢
like
啲所有嘅轉
totally
移啦，或者咧係令到人覺得
not
好難以
normal.
置信嘅，
This
或者係
exists all
好
the
特
time.
殊
Again,
嘅
in
嘅
all
嘢咧，係
paths
成日都
of the
發
Buddha
生嘅。
Dharma,
喺
the
所有佛法嘅
ingredient of
道
the
路入
wisdom
邊
and
啦，
method is must.
呢一
So
個
this
方
is
便同
given
埋智慧嘅元素咧，係
now
必須要嘅。
in sadhana.
呢一個咧係呢一個
Keep in
已經
mind
咧
that
係一定
sadhana
要有噶啦。而我
definitely
哋咧係
has got
講
this
誒、
But
成就法嘅
sadhana
時候
has
咧，就
its
必須要
own
有呢一樣嘢，
ingredient
而成就法亦都有自
based
己
on that.
嘅元素，係以此為基礎嘅。
And they also all
而
interrelated.
佢哋咧
They are
都係
also
咧佢哋互相之間有
overlap,
關聯啦，亦都有重疊，
interconnected.
互相之間係有聯繫。
And depending on different kinds of
視
sadhanas,
乎咧睇下你
also
講嘅邊一樣嘅成就法或者儀
different
軌
kind of
啦，
ingredient and different kind of
有唔
structure.
同嘅元素同埋或者
And
係
what
唔
I'm going
同
to
嘅
tell you is a very
唔同嘅
general
結
one,
構。
which will
而
help
我
you
而家同你
understand.
講緊嘅咧係一種概論啦，應該
Okay,
係對大家有
so
幫助。
sadhana always begins with a refuge.
呢一個儀
You have to
軌咧
take refuge.
一定咧係會由皈依開始
Now,
嘅，你一
what
定要
kind
咧
of
係要
sadhana
先
are
受
you
皈
reading?
依。
Is it a very,
你究竟
very,
睇緊邊一啲嘅儀
even in the
軌咧？
tantra,
就算咧喺密
tantra
乘
has
入
four
邊、
different kind, for many,
密法入
many
邊，
tantras.
密法有好
But
多種唔同嘅密法嘅。
generally, we talk about four
但係
different
咧總
kinds
括
of
嚟講，
tantra.
我哋咧係話有
It's
四
very
種嘅密乘，
interesting, the four tantras.
係其實好有趣嘅。點解咧係會有四種密乘咧？
What is the opposite of obnoxious?
黑人憎嘅
Right?
嘅反義詞係乜嘢？係咪
Agreeable. Okay. So
係咪好吸引人
if
咧？
you are the most agreeable human
如
being,
果咧你
and
係
you
一
are
個
so
咧
stuck of
好
being
吸引人
agreeable
嘅人，
yourself
而你咧
and
係非常
expecting the
之咧
others to
執
be
着於咧
agreeable
希望
also,
你係咧
then you
誒
deserve
令人哋
Kriyakarma.
中意你，覺得你係和藹可親，
It
咁你就
is.
應該咧係去學呢個
But
事
if
部
you are
瑜伽。
really, really
但係如
obnoxious,
果你係一個好
and
乞
you
人
also
憎嘅
don't
人，
mind the others
而
also to
你
be
咧亦都唔
obnoxious,
介意咧其他人咧乞
yeah,
人
more
憎，
likely you are
咁可
vessel
能
for the
咧
Anuyoga Tantra.
你可能咧就係咧做呢個阿魯瑜伽咧嘅法器。
And this is beautifully
而呢
depicted,
樣嘢咧
depicted
係非
even
常
in the
之
paintings.
好美麗咁樣
Like
咧，
if you
喺
go
呢一
to
個
Goyasan
畫入
in
邊呈
Japan,
現。 如
Goyasan,
果咧你
who
去日
practices
本呢一個
mainly
歌
Yoga
城呢個
Tantra.
地方，高野山，佢通常咧主要都係咧修持呢個士部瑜伽嘅，
Mainly, well,
主
Yoga
要
Tantra.
係咧
So the Goyasan deities,
高野山入邊嘅本尊咧，
Goyasan deities have consorts, but the
佢咧係
consort is
有
sitting always there.
有佛母嘅，而嗰啲佛母咧係永遠都係坐
You
喺隔
understand?
離嘅啫。你明唔明啊？
The deity is somewhere here, the
嗰
consort
啲
is sitting there.
嗰啲本尊咧就坐呢一邊，咁
Appearing
佢哋
very
嘅佛母
agreeable
就
in
坐
a
隔
normal
離，
way.
睇落去咧好
You
似
understand?
咧係可以好被接受，
Now
係
I
係
don't
好
need to
正
explain
常嘅，
too
好似。
much. If you
咁
go
我
to
而
a
家就唔
Tibetan
使
temple,
同大家
you
解
see.
釋太多啦。如果你去一個
Now,
藏傳
why
佛教嘅
the
殿
Tibetan
廟宇入邊咧，
temples have not been ordered by the sense, what do you call it, census? What do you call it? Census board, that all Tibetan monasteries should have rated R, rate
如果
18
咧你
years
咧係
old,
如果咧你
only
係有呢一啲物
entry
品嘅
permitted.
管制
You
嘅
know
話咧，可能咧
what
所有
I'm
嘅
saying?
西藏嘅廟宇咧就會咧係會被禁啦。因為我都唔係，
But you know,
因為咧你
instead
睇
of
到晒呢
18
啲
years
所有
old,
咁
this
樣
is
嘅嘢，
again the cultural cue.
例如好似我哋
Basically,
講緊18歲啊
and
等
then
等，
I've
呢啲
also
就
said
係咧
there's
呢一
the
啲文化上嘅指
there's the
線索
modern
啦，或者
culture, the ancient culture,
我
the
哋有時候話我呢啲
west,
係一
the
啲現
east,
代
the
嘅
south, all
文
become
化，
too
或
complicated.
者係古代嘅
So
文化，
complicated.
東方或者西
But
方
I
嘅
think
文
you
化
know what
等
I'm
等，呢
talking
啲
about.
咧都係非常之複雜嘅。
So
我諗
sadhana
你咧
has a
了
lot of
解我
different
係講嗰
things.
啲乜嘢。
And in Tibetan tradition, we
喺
practice
儀軌
almost
呢樣
all.
嘢咧係有好多唔同嘅嘢，而咧我哋
But
咧西藏嚟
main
講咧
yoga,
係
Anu
修
Yoga
持差
Tantra,
唔
and
多所
sometimes
有
a
嘅嘢，
Kriya
但係
Tantra,
主
such
要
as
咧
which is practiced
係
for
會
new
修
men,
持呢個
which
阿
a
魯
lot of
瑜
people
伽、
like.
阿魯瑜伽啦，有時候士部瑜伽啦，有一
New
種咁嘅
men,
修
which
持叫
is
nong 耶。
basically fasting and not
呢一
drinking
樣
and
嘢咧，主
taking
要
a
咧係話
silent vow. Very, very
禁食啦、唔
because
飲酒
fasting
啦、 禁語啦，
silent vow,
例如你話
you know,
禁食
it
或者
sounds
禁
so
語，聽落
serene
去好
and
似
spiritual.
非
In
常
the
之咧
modern
係，
mind, one would think
好似
someone
咧好
who
有
doesn't
靈性
talk
啦，好似好平靜
much
咁樣。
or not at all,
如
more
果一個
as
人
a
咧唔係講好
spiritual
多嘢，
someone
或
who
者完
just
全唔講嘢，
continuously like talk
咁
and
睇
talk
落
all
去
the
咧
time.
就好似咧對於
So
相比起一
anyway,
個成日講
Kriyatantra
嘢嘅
has
人嚟
that.
講，更加有提，更加有靈
So
性。咁咧，士部瑜伽就有呢一
Kriyatantra has
種
that
咁
kind of
樣嘅
sadhana
面向，
also.
亦都有呢一種咁樣
I'm
嘅
not
儀
going,
軌。
since you have, since I'm at, talking to people who have been receiving the
由於咧，我咧同緊
integration
大
mainly,
家
I'm
講緊
I'm
嘅，
assuming
同大家嘅觀眾
going to
咧，
talk more
都
about
大部
the
分咧係已經咧受持咗呢一個四
yoga
心
or
地
Anu
嘅
Yoga
灌
Tantra.
頂，所以咧我咧主要係想
So in the
講呢一
Anu
個
Yoga
阿魯
Tantra
瑜伽嘅
sadhanas,
密
there are
乘。
structures a little
喺阿魯瑜伽裏
different.
面咧，佢
So I
咧嘅
already said
佢
refuge.
嘅結構咧係有
Always
少少唔
begins
一
refuge.
樣嘅，所以咧我話所有嘅儀軌咧都係由皈依開始。
Actually, highest
事
Anu
實
Yoga
上
Tantra
咧，最
sadhanas,
高
even
嘅
don't
高
need
等咧嘅
this, but let's
最
not
高
talk
等嘅
about
阿
that.
魯瑜伽咧，其實係唔需要呢樣嘢嘅，但係
Standard
我哋暫時唔需要
begins
討
with
論呢樣嘢，我
refuge.
哋講標準嗰啲
And
先，而嗰啲咧係由
I have to
由
say,
皈依法開
refuge, I
始。
take refuge to Buddha, Dharma, and Sangha
我哋咧需要
for
講
me.
啦，我哋向佛法僧皈
But
依，但
tantric
係
exclusively,
喺呢一個密乘
the
裏面咧，係
understanding of the
專屬地
refuge
咧係
is
有我哋點樣去理解皈依咧，就係
we call it, to be, even understanding the very
就算咧
word
係我哋
refuge
去
for
理解
Tantra
呢
is
一
little
個
different, I would say.
皈依呢一個字咧，喺密乘嚟講咧，都係有少少唔
Usually
一樣
refuge
嘅。
is surrendering,
通
right?
常咧，
Surrendering,
通
accepting,
常
surrendering. I'm
皈
thirsty,
依咧嘅意
so
思都係咧去
without the
投
without the
降啦，
doubt,
或
I
者
surrender to this phenomena
或
because I
例
know
如咧，我哋咧
this
係無
is
可置疑地咧，我咧向呢
undeceivingly
一種咁樣
going
嘅
to
現象
quench my
投降
thirst.
啦。
I can trust
因為
this.
拎起一杯水嘅時候咧，我咧係
I can trust
係
this
知
one
道咧，一
that
定
this
我
is
可以
going
相
to
信咧，我
quench
飲呢
my
一啖
thirst.
水，呢一杯水咧係會消除我嘅口渴。
Mm, yeah. Now, tantric people they think
而密乘行
yes,
者
you
咧，
can
佢
take
哋會諗
refuge to this
係啊，你
Bhagavatam
可以咧，
Shakyamuni,
你可
who
以
was
向
the son
釋迦
of
牟尼
Maya
皈
Devi,
依，
Shuddhodana,
佢咧
poor
係
relatively,
淨
but
飯王
you
同
know,
埋佢嘅仔，
this is a historical figure,
但係咧呢一個咧係
a
一個
lot of
歷
it
史上
has
嘅
a
人物。
lot of that has a your own
有
interpretation,
好多咧係有你自
your
己
own
咧嘅，
feeling, so on and so forth.
有你自己嘅解釋
So
或
for
者
the
自己嘅
Tantra,
感覺喺入邊。喺密乘嚟講，
accepting and
接
surrendering
受同埋咧降
this
服，
deity and the Buddha
向
we
呢一個
talked
本尊
earlier,
降
the
服於呢一
unity
個
of the
本尊啦，
emptiness and the luminosity, that which you have,
係就係、
your
其實就
mind,
係咧要相信咧你咧
that
係有呢一個空啦，同埋
undeceivingly, it is the truth, right?
光明呢一
Fire
樣嘢
is
咧係
hot. It's never going to sort of
呢
one
樣
day
嘢咧
become
係
cold
無欺騙
and then
性嘅。
next day again back
呢一
to
個
hot.
火咧，佢咧係熱嘅，
It's
火
always
係唔會突
fire
然
is
間變
heat.
咗凍，第二日又變翻做
Your
熱，
mind,
永
natural,
遠都係啦。呢一個
essence of the
火
fire,
啦，都
essence of
係
the
熱，
fire is
而
heat
咧你
or the character
火
declaration.
嘅
Appearance can be
精華咧就
orange,
係
red,
熱。
and
當佢嘅現
if you
象咧
are
可以
distant,
係呢
you
一
are
個
far
橙
from
啊，
the
或者
fire, you will
紅
not
色。
feel
如果咧你
heat.
離開
Then
火好遠咧，你就
that's
感受
the
唔到個
actual
熱力。
fire.
但係咧
The
實際
touch
上
is
嘅
going to
火，
burn.
如果你掂到佢咧，你就會
Likewise,
燒
your
親。
mind that you have,
同樣地
that's
咧，你個
it's
心咧，
sometimes muggy,
你擁有嘅
sometimes
心有時候咧，可能咧係
agitated,
唔
sometimes
係咁，
happy, unhappy,
可能有時候
bad
開心，有
mood,
時候
good
唔
mood,
開心，可能
whatever.
有時候激
But
動，可能
the
有時候
essence of
誒、有好心情，有啲唔好嘅心情，但係咧，你個心嘅本質咧就係呢一個誒空性啦，同埋光明嘅圓融，而呢樣嘢咧係唔會改變嘅。呢一個咧就係咧密乘咧佢哋做皈依嘅時候嘅態度，亦都咧好取決於你用緊邊一個儀軌。而唔同嘅儀軌啦，由唔同嘅大師咧係去編撰嘅。有一啲大師咧，佢哋寫一啲儀軌咧，係為咗某一啲特別嘅人而寫，而嗰啲人可能咧仲未可以食到一啲未可以食到一啲固體嘅食物，所以對於佢哋嚟講就要諗呢一個皈依嘅對境咧，可能要坐喺一個獅子座上面啊，等等。諗下，但係或者係坐喺大象上面，有好多嘢咧，都係咧，因為印度人中意咧，所以咧佢哋就係咁樣樣去寫啦。而咧西藏人咧就全盤接受，根本咧都唔去諗，因為咧就覺得一定係好嘅，由印度嚟嘅嘢一定係好。佢哋西藏人咧話，稱呼咧呢一個印度咧為聖者嘅地方。實際上咧，西藏人咧都係會供養好多嘅金啦，係去希望印度嘅聖者咧嚟教導佢哋。我哋亦都會話蓮花，你有冇諗過？印度係有蓮花，所以咧你會話哦，蓮燭，你嘅蓮燭，蓮燭對於一個法國人嚟講係代表咩咧？喺法文裏面，我哋點樣講連續？我點樣讀呢樣嘢？如果一個人對於同一個法國人講你嘅連續嘅時候，你係咪覺得痕痕地嘅咧？其實佢究竟代表乜嘢咧？其實佢可能係咩都唔代表，但係呢一個藏族人就非常之中意呢樣嘢，就算咧直到今日嚟講，咧，當呢一個藏人寫信俾我嘅時候，好似我前面坐嘅人咧，佢寫嘢俾我嘅時候，都會話中薩欽哲仁波切，你連續下藏人嘅喇嘛或者仁波切，我咧會。我咧需要咧教導佢哋有一個即係速成班，要教佢哋咧點樣咧喺呢個 WhatsApp 裏面寫嘢啊！有一位叫做 Lama Chudha，唔該大家咧話俾佢聽呢一樣嘢，因為咧好多情況之下咧，我可能會收到10行字，每一行咧都好長嘅。我咧需要咧我需要跳過好多好多行咧，先至睇到最尾嗰個信息。一開始嘅時候可能就係話你就會咧係話你個名字咧係我唔可以講嘅，不可以說出你嘅名字。你呢一位咧，我唔可以講出你嘅名字嘅人，你咧好似一個有如日月啦，你係咧代表所有嘅佛。我咧，佢哋其實而家仲係咁樣寫嘢俾我㗎，呢一種咧就係非常非常之受文化影響嘅。有時候咧，你會覺得好靚，但係有時候。有時候你就嚟上飛機嘅時候咧，你睇到呢一種咁樣嘅信息，就其實真係覺得好煩。我哋講返呢一個蓮燭啊，喺西藏裏面咧係冇蓮花嘅，而家可能有啦， 如果而家咧係有空調嘅時候啦，就可能有，但係咧西藏其實係冇蓮花嘅，所以你有冇見過咧？其實大部分咧喺西藏畫嘅蓮花咧都係畫得唔啱嘅，因為咧蓮花唔係咁樣樣嘅，但係邊一個人嚟咧冇所謂啦。咦？點解我哋講到蓮花嘅咧？我頭先講緊乜嘢？係我哋而家頭先係講緊呢一個皈依，向佛皈依，代表咧係向自己嘅心性皈依。係對於呢一個密乘嚟講，亦都同時咧係向釋迦牟尼佛皈依。皈依法咧，當然佢都係話係向呢一個佛陀教嘅教法咧作為皈依，但係真實嚟講咧，亦都係向我哋亦都係咧係向呢一個現象嘅真實性皈依。例如咧，所有嘅感覺咧，都係咧痛苦嘅。當我哋咧講，當我哋講我哋咧皈依法嘅時候啦，我哋咧係皈依緊咧所有嘢咧都係自己白天，或者所有嘢咧都係我哋嘅上司啦，或者咧所有嘢咧都係空行。睇下咧你係用緊邊一個儀軌。我哋而家講緊皈依僧。僧咧通常咧就會被認為咧係呢一個團體啦，或者咧係受戒嘅團體，佢可能咧係放棄咗咧平凡嘅生活啦，或者俗家嘅生活啦，而係追求呢一個道路，一個解脫嘅道路，唔係為咗自己，亦都係為人。所以咧係非常之咧高貴咧嘅對象嚟嘅，係我哋咧都係呢個咧係基本上我哋都係會向佢哋作為皈依，但係咧喺呢一個密乘嚟講，僧最容易去討論咩叫僧咧，喺我哋呢一個咁嘅聽眾呢一班聽眾面前，咧就要咧借用。Aldous Huxley 一位作者需要咧借用佢嘅用嘅字就係咧 servitude 呢一個字，servitude 即係去侍奉呢一樣嘢咧，就係或者係奴役啦，或者係侍奉呢一樣嘢咧，係僧侶，即係例如。我如果想打一個電話俾人嘅時候，我可以咧係用呢個電話而我咧就係向呢一個電話咧係去屈服或者降服啦，或者我向呢一個internet 啦去降服啦，亦都有時候咧事情可以變得更為複雜嘅。我哋講間閉路電視，如果我哋講閉路電視嘅時候咧，而家你就講得複雜啲啦。因為咧，閉路電視可能咧係會保護你啦，但係你同時亦都唔會想俾佢影到。又或者咧，你喺 Amazon 嗰度網購嘅時候，好容易啊，你想買乜都得，但係佢知道你做緊乜喎。到最尾咧，你可能咩都買晒。呢一個係 servitude 呢一個字，你可以話係被奴役啦，或者咧係佢係服務你。如果我冇講錯嘅話啦，呢個作家咧，赫胥黎或者赫斯，佢就話啦，呢個世界淨係得一個獨裁者，或者係咧 真正嘅獨
Very,
裁制
very
咧，就係
difficult
咧，
because
就係要人服
you
務，
want
係一
security,
種
you
要人
want
服務
easy
嘅
things, you want
系統嚟嘅，因為咧，你希望咧係有呢一個安全感啦，
you
你
know
希
you
望有一
used to
啲
have a what
輕
you
易
call
嘅
it
嘢，
machine readable immigration, right? I yeah, immigration, but you also know they know everything. So this
你
is
好，
what we have. So it's a system or it's a service, I guess you can call
你
it.
可以話咧係一種系統啦，亦都
And
可以話咧
Sangha
係一種服
is
務。
a big support.
而呢一個團體
I'm not only
爭
talking about
係一個咧好
this kind
大
of
嘅
Sangha, which is also
支援
important,
系
which is
統，
support.
我
You
唔係
don't
講
know
緊我哋而家有
whose
嘅呢一個
number is
團體
yours.
啦，係佢都係一
You
個
don't know
支
where to go
援。
to take
如
a
果咧
path.
你唔知道咧睇到邊一
Very,
頁嘅時候，
very,
你就
very
去
difficult.
問
So the
佢哋。
Sanghas are
你唔
always
識得點樣咧
little
係去綠野
stretched.
苑嘅時候，你又問佢哋。
You understand? So all of that Sangha, there's that.
呢一個團體爭劇有呢一個面向。
But when the servitude
但係咧，當我
is
哋
all
講緊呢一個服
devas,
務，當所有咧服
you
務你嘅
relate
嘢
to
都係天人，或
everything
者咧你咧同佢哋咧係
as a deva.
你將所有嘢咧都視為咧天
Then
本
you are
尊
all
啦，
together
咧
having
天人嘅時
different
候啦，
kinds of servitude. Servitude.
咧
I
你
use
咧
the
就
word.
會咧係會有一種唔同嘅服務。
So in the Tantra, the Sangha is usually
喺密城裏面啦，爭騎通常咧
Hansipada,
係
they call it. All beings are Dakas and Dakinis.
所有人都係咧
All beings are
空行
devas.
勇富啦，所有嘢咧都係
Therefore,
天人
and that
本
that
尊，
is
所
never
以
going to falter.
呢樣嘢咧係
You
永
have to
遠唔會
settle
改
into
變。
that.
你
It's a
咧
difficult
係
one.
就此
Anyway,
降服，
let's finish with the
呢樣
refuge.
嘢
Refuge,
係
usually there is a refuge
有
right
啲
in the
難去
beginning.
理解
Okay?
嘅。咁我哋咧而家咧係
And
講
it's a
完
foundation.
皈依
You
啦，
have to
而
have
咧
it.
皈依咧
If
係一
you
開
don't
始就
have
有啦，
that
係基礎嘅，你必
refuge,
須要有。如果你
I mean,
冇
if
嘅
you
話
don't
咧，
accept, if
如
you
果你
do
唔接
not
受，
accept that
如果你
you have
唔
the
接
innate
受你咧係
deity,
有呢一個係本你自
if
己
you
本
do
來就
not
係本尊
accept
嘅話
that
啦，
you are the
如果你
deity,
唔去接受你自己
sadhana
係
doesn't
本
work
尊，
right away.
咁咧呢一個
The
儀
whole
軌或者
practice.
成就法咧係唔會
So
有效嘅，
you
成個
could be
目的
doing
都
the
冇用。
sadhana, but then it might
你
as
可
well
能咧係會
just
做
go
做
to
緊呢個
any
儀
kind
軌，
of
但係咧其實
theistic tradition
你
that
都係
believes
咧
in
係，
God
就算你
that is
做呢個
outside
儀軌咧，
existing.
你都係
I
同
use
其
this
他
word.
有
I'm
神
not going to
嘅
give you the
系
pure
統，
water
有神嘅 傳
spiritual
統，
water.
例如咧係有神論呢一啲傳統咧係差唔多嘅
So
啫。
that
佢呢個神咧
graded
可能咧係會俾
refuge
你一啲獎勵或者一啲懲
that
罰。呢一個咧就係我哋頭先講呢個
that's one
皈
very
依嘅元
important
素，
structure.
裡
Now
面
the
有一
next
個
one,
非常之重要嘅結構。
bodhicitta.
而家我哋
Oh,
講下一
so
樣嘢，
important.
菩提心非常之重要。
Bodhicitta, such a big subject also.
菩提心係一個好宏大嘅題目。
So very, very, very kindergarten level of bodhicitta
係
is
一個非
I
常之
want
幼
to help
稚園
everyone.
程度嘅
I
菩提
want to
心咧，就係
really
我希望
save
幫助所有
everyone.
人，
I
我
want
希
to
望拯救
really
所有
give,
人，
I don't know, give everyone massage.
我希望咧幫所有
I'm
人
not
按
that
摩，
level, which is fine. You can
就
also
係嗰一個
visualize
程
yourself
度都 OK 嘅。
intermediate.
你咧
So
可以咧，
you are massaging simultaneously
你可以咧
everyone.
觀想
It's
自己
perfect.
咧，係8成億
Beautiful.
萬個自己啦，係
It
同
is
時
like
間按摩
all
所有
my
人。
happiness giving to everyone.
例如咧，
All
我
other
將自
people's
己嘅所有
happiness,
快
stuff
樂
like that.
俾其他人，而接受所有人嘅痛苦等等。 例如，我希望修持呢一個儀軌去咧，令到所有人覺悟。呢個係可能係一個初中程度嘅菩提心，而最高，而一個比較高嘅程度，或者我哋話係碩士程度嘅菩提心，就係當你睇有情眾生嘅時候，你就好似咧好飢餓咁樣，好似呢一個賣金嘅商人咧，見到一個金礦咁樣，全部都係金。你對有情眾生嘅態度就係，哇，所有都係佛，喺度驚嘆。而呢一個需要咧，令到所有人解脫嘅呢一個職業或者呢一個工作咧，已經咧99.9%咧係其他人已經做咗噶啦，因為咧佢哋都有自己嘅佛性，佢哋已經做咗啦，你唔需要更新，你唔需要咧下載，你唔需要加入任何嘢，因為咧其他人本身就有呢一個覺知啦，或者咧有呢一種態度啦，好似一個金商人睇到一個好核突嘅金礦嘅時候，我覺得好興奮。正如咧，佢好似咧見到一個咧已經咧係打磨過嘅非常之亮晶晶嘅金咁樣嘅態度咧，呢一個咧就係碩士程度嘅菩提心。點解佢係呢一個碩士程度咧？因為咧你唔覺得攰？OK，你咧可能幫人覺得攰，因為佢咧令到你覺得好煩厭，或者呢一個人可能已經唔使我幫已經好好噶啦。咁你咧係永遠都唔會咧放棄。如果唔係咧，如果我成日咧都想將一個石頭變咗做金咧，我會覺得好攰，我會覺得咧好失意，因為好難。如果我一早已經知道呢一個係金嘅時候咧，可以打佢啦，燒佢啦。有時候咧，我就算覺得攰，因為我係不完美嘅，但係咧都會有一種好強嘅信仰啦，同埋接受啦，佢係一個金，一嚿金。而我哋下一步咧就係講最高程度嘅菩提心，就係知道所有嘅有情眾生都係本尊，佢哋咧都已經咧係覺醒咗。借用龍音不尊者嘅講法咧，所有嘅有情眾生咧都係覺醒咗。邊一個咧係無明嘅咧？我所有見到嘅人，我所有見到嘅眾生都係冇一個人不是佛。呢個就係呢個咧係最終極嘅菩提心，究竟嘅菩提心。呢一個咧喺儀軌入邊嘅第二部分係有嘅。我哋而家呢一個動作係咪我哋而家要小休一下咧？而家就已經要休息啦。我哋咧而家講埋呢一個菩提心先，講少少細節。 通常咧係會有，
the essential part.
雖然頭先咧係講咗一啲本質，
Visualizing the object of the
我哋永遠咧都會有一啲方法，例如咧係觀想呢一個皈依嘅對境，例如皈依樹。我個感覺呢一個咧係一個非常之印度嘅嘢，因為印度好鍾意樹。當印度樹咧嚟到不丹嘅時候咧，我都成日都喺度諗，點解要對住呢一啲樹或者相嚟影相咧？例如菩提樹啊等等咁多樹。我哋咧，佢哋亦都會有話呢一個傳承嘅樹。對於一個法國人嚟講，係咪其實都唔係覺得好？對於一個法國人嚟講，係咪覺得咧唔係好有靈感嘅咧？個個人都坐喺一啲樹嘅樹枝上面。對於一個法國人嚟講，係咪好奇怪咧？當啲喇嘛喺度講，當當啲喇嘛喺度講呢個皈依樹嘅時候，法國人會唔會喺度諗，好似啲羊喺度食緊嘢咁樣？如果你想我做嘅話咧，我可以話所有樹咧都要一定要係樹，因為咧樹咧係有呢一係因為一定要係樹嘅，但係我可以咁講，但係咧我覺得唔需要。我諗可能都係有一啲實際上嘅原因，係啲皈依樹係咁樣畫法嘅。呢度前面右手邊樹枝又咁樣，左手邊嘅樹枝又係咁，可能咧係有啲實際嘅用途嘅，係有呢一種咁樣嘅觀想。我希望講嘅嘢咧就係，有冇記得咧？頭先我係有講過呢一個方便同埋智慧喺呢一個字軌入邊咧。當我哋咧祈求，我哋向呢一個我哋皈依法僧嘅時候，我哋做觀想，有皈依樹嘅時候咧，呢一個咧係一個方便啦，而智慧咧就係呢啲皈依樹啦，同埋所有皈依境咧，都係咧融入咗自己度，同埋你同佢哋變得無異無別。呢一個咧就係智慧，而方便同埋智慧咧係嗰個主要嘅元素。好，我哋而家咧做一個茶歇，半個鐘嘅小休。